Hello, and welcome to Sonyabeonit channel. So we're gonna use this Weber KC barbecue rub. We're gonna do this right here with this right here. Now this chicken that I'm about to prepare outside on the grill, it is good for an entire family, or if it's just two people, a meal for two. Excellent. Go ahead and do you some prep meals for the rest of the week and you are good to go. So if y'all ready to get started, go on lick your lips like this. Because you already know it's going to be good. You already know about to throw that on the grill. So with that in mind, let's get started. Okay, so now we're going to mix all of our ingredients in this large bowl for the injection for the chicken. You're going to need some measuring devices. Something like this. You can pick this up from Dollartree. You can pick this up from Kohl's. Any one of your favorite department stores. Go get you some measuring devices. We're going to use a 1 cup measuring device. You're going to need some kitchen shears of some sort. Okay, some people say it's butter, some people say it's margarine, some people just say, hell, just get some, okay? This is going to be your inside base that you use to inject your seasoning. So don't worry about you're going to gain weight or hell, your cholesterol going to be high. It's going to be high anyway, hell. Because you're doing some other stuff. But don't worry about it right now. Right now, it's all about good eating. That's what it's about, good eating. We're going to take this margarine, which we're going to have to melt. This is at room temperature. We're going to melt that, so don't worry about it. That's approximately about 1 cup. 1 cup of margarine or butter. I'm going to take this over to my microwave and melt this, and then we're going to pour it over into the bowl. It ain't time to eat. Ooh, I wish y'all could smell this. Smell it. Hurry up now. You have to steam this chicken very well. So I'm going to take some salt. That's about a tablespoon. I have a bag over in the other side of the sink to discard all of this that I don't want. Now what I'm going to do, and I should do this on the counter, I'm going to take this chicken and cut up the middle of that breast. So that's what you're going to need, some really good shears to do this. I don't want to take all of the bones out because you don't want the chicken to cook too fast on the grill. Here's my meat injector I picked up from a local Dollartree. Slant it sideways, pull your nozzle, pull it. You can fill it as far as you want to fill it. Look at there, $1. This would be really good if you can allow this to sit overnight. Oh my goodness. You see how it's swelling? Matter of fact, I'm going to sit mine inside my pan that I'm going to use after I do this one leg. Do you see all that goodness inside of there? Okay, so this is the tin-foil pan that I picked up from a local Dollar Tree. This is what I will be using. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and place the chicken inside of here now. But you can see the difference. Let me flip it over some. Do you see all that juice? You see all that seasoning right there? All that seasoning. Okay, so that's probably less than a tablespoon. I'm going to take my rub, seasoned rub, and I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. I'm going to take that tablespoon to that little bit and add it. That should thicken it up some. You want it to form like a thick paste. Just like this. Mix that up very well. No barbecue sauce. We're going to use this and some honey. Okay, so that is ready to be placed in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours, but it's best if you can put it in your refrigerator for 24 hours overnight. That's when it's really going to be good. Okay, so I'm going to place the chicken right here. Leave it right there and let it do what it do. Okay, let's check my meat. Smelling good. Whoa, hot thing. Ooh, look at that. Look at all that goodness. I'll leave that top off for a good 30 minutes. In the last 30 minutes, we're going to sear it and we're going to grill it. Okay, yeah, I got an assistant, I think I damn do. I'm going to try to remove this without breaking it, but he look like he going to come apart. Yeah, he falling apart already. And I could get my meat grippers. But the thing with that, if I get the meat grippers, it's still gonna break apart. Okay, get here. Don't touch the pan. Get those 2 rags right there.
2 rags right
over here. And move that pan out the way.
What pan?
Pick the pan up. It ain't gonna burn you. Damn, look, heat ain't never killed nobody. Kill germs is what it kills.
Oh, the camera in the way.
No, hell,
chicken over.
Just pour it. Oh, chicken. Okay, now we're gonna let him rest right there. This is what we're working with. That meat is so tender it's falling apart. We're going to flip them over, but not right now. We're going to leave it on this side for about a good 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and flip it. And then flip it one more time. It's a lot of steps, but it's going to be well worth it. Here's our marination juice from the chicken. Don't throw that away. You can strain this and keep this broth as well. That's some good cooking right there. You're going to take a 1/3 cup of that. Gotta hurry up, my meat gonna mess up. That's about a 1/3 cup. Now, same thing with your seasoning. Take about a 1/3 cup. You're not gonna use it all, but you want to make it like a paste. That's not quite a 1/3, but we're gonna put it in there. What we're trying to do is make it into a paste. And then we're gonna add some honey. How much of the honey, Sonya? You know what? Nope, you can't eye when you're telling people how to cook. Less than a 1/3. I didn't want it really that soupy, so I should have used a little bit less than what I just told you. for the broth. That's fine, it'll work out. Blend that very well. We're gonna go ahead and baste the chicken on top and then flip it over, do it again, and bring it in. Let's do it. You hear it talking to you? Do you hear it talking? Okay, I'm gonna try to flip this over without ripping it apart. You remember I told you the broth? This is our broth we had. This is the best meat injector to buy because it has 2 holes on both sides and it doesn't put a pressure on it when you suck it in. So you can take your broth, like I told you, and go back into that chicken. Look at there. If you feel as though it's getting dry, just go into it. This broth can be used in making chicken noodle soup, chicken and rice, your vegetables, saute your vegetables in a little bit of this. So this broth comes in handy. Don't discard your broth. Put it in a container and you can freeze it if you put it in a Ziploc bag. So I hope you enjoyed the time we'll share together. Until next time, be blessed.